Welcome to our exploration of Kubernetes monitoring, a critical aspect of maintaining reliable deployments. Imagine Kubernetes as the backbone of your operations, silently orchestrating workloads across the cloud. But without proper monitoring, you might be flying blind, risking inefficiencies and downtimes. Our goal here is to ensure you master the essential tools that provide critical observability and performance insights, so you can address issues before they impact your users. Let's set the stage for making your Kubernetes deployments robust and resilient. Now that we understand the importance of monitoring, let's uncover some common challenges that Kubernetes environments often face. One of the most prevalent issues is resource misallocation, where CPU, memory, or other resources are inefficiently distributed among pods, leading to suboptimal performance. Another significant challenge is the absence of real-time insights, which can result in delayed responses to performance issues and prolonged downtimes. Together, these challenges can severely impact the reliability of your deployments if not addressed with effective monitoring practices. With the challenges in mind, let's delve into the powerful tools available within the Kubernetes ecosystem to enhance monitoring. Prometheus is our go-to solution for metrics collection. It efficiently scrapes and stores time series data, allowing us to gain detailed insights into resource usage. But metrics are just the beginning. Enter Grafana, a versatile visualization tool that transforms raw data into interactive and insightful dashboards. Together, these tools create a comprehensive monitoring framework, ensuring your Kubernetes deployments are optimized for performance and reliability. Now that we've understood the tools, let's dive into setting up Prometheus and Grafana in your Kubernetes cluster. First, we'll deploy Prometheus by applying a configuration file to set up its components. Then, we'll do the same for Grafana, ensuring it has access to the metrics collected by Prometheus. Finally, we'll configure a port forward to access the Grafana dashboard, where you'll create visualizations to monitor CPU and memory usage, enhancing your operational insight. As you become more familiar with setting up monitoring tools, it's crucial to sidestep common pitfalls that can undermine your efforts. One frequent mistake is misconfiguring resource limits, which can lead to unexpected downtime due to resource exhaustion. Always ensure your resource quotas are correctly set to align with your workload demands. Another vital aspect is setting up proactive alerts within your Alert Manager configuration. This means you'll be notified of potential issues before they escalate. Regularly updating your Grafana dashboards ensures that your insights remain relevant and actionable, reflecting the dynamic nature of your Kubernetes environment. As we've explored, mastering Kubernetes monitoring is essential for maintaining robust deployments and avoiding common pitfalls. By effectively utilizing tools like Prometheus and Grafana, you can gain valuable insights into your system's performance and quickly address any emerging issues. Remember, the key is to stay proactive with your monitoring strategy, ensuring your deployments are both efficient and reliable. Now that you've seen how it all comes together, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. What challenges have you faced, and what solutions have you found successful? Share your stories or ask any questions below, and let's continue learning together.